Hello friends, my name is Hashma and this is part 23 of the video series JavaScript for the beginners. And in this video we talk about for each method and how we can use it with an array. Well, I have made videos on loops, specifically for loop. I will give you the link in the I button. If you need to know what is for loop, you can check the video. So well, if you want to support me, please hit the like button and subscribe to Code Fusion. It will help me to rank this video in the YouTube algorithm. So now let's start the video with today's topic, what is for each method in modern JavaScript. So the definition of for each is that the for each method executes to fetch array element at once. The meaning of this for each method is that when we use this for each method, we can read the entire array element very easily. I will clear you with an example. So let's go to our VS Code. Let's create an array. Let list grocery, square bracket, eggs, milk. I have already made a video on array in detail, so I will give you the link in the I button. If you want to refresh your memory, you can check it out. Well, for the quick recap, I will show you how to read the value in the array. Console log list grocery. 0 is the index. You can see the value banana is printed on the console. But what if we want to print all the values at once? For this we use for each method. Well, the syntax of for each method is very straightforward. There is an array bind with the array variable, array name, and after that we call the for each method array name dot for each method, and inside this function or a method we create a function with one or two parameters. First is value and second is index, and in the body we can console log these values and then we can get the output. Let me show you it in action. So first comment this console log list grocery dot for each brackets, and in this method create a function without any name with single parameter. First value, console log this value, and now let's see the console. You can see all the values are printed in ascending order. Even we can add more values like this. You can see values are also updated. So if we add one more parameter, index, and print this index too, and now you can see the index also. Let me reformat this information in a nicer way like this. So that's the result. I hope you will understand the topic very well. If not, you can comment me down below. I will make sure to reply you. Well, if you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to Code Fusion and hit the notification bell for the latest update on this channel. And remember, keep coding, keep learning, keep improving yourself day by day. I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care and see you.